Welcome everyone to the Ethereum for Everyone short course. What is Ethereum? The Ethereum blockchain is one of a kind, enabling programmability and fostering freedom within the blockchain ecosystem. Banking for everyone. All you need is an internet connection to access Ethereum and the lending, borrowing, and savings products built on it. An open internet. Anyone can interact with the Ethereum network or build applications on it. A peer-to-peer network. Ethereum allows you to coordinate, make arrangements, or transfer digital assets directly with others. Commerce guarantees. Customers have a secure, built-in assurance that the funds will only change hands if the agreed upon terms are fulfilled. Composable products. All apps are built on the same blockchain with a shared global state, which means they can interoperate and build upon each other's functionalities. Censorship resistant. No government or company controls Ethereum. Its decentralization makes it nearly impossible for anyone to stop you from receiving payments or using services on the platform. Some interesting facts about Ethereum are: it was launched on 30th July 2015 with the purpose of being a platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications. To maintain consensus on the network, it uses proof-of-stake consensus algorithm and has a block time of 12 seconds. The vision of Ethereum is to be a single blockchain for the entire world, a global Ethereum world computer. The Ethereum world computer, in essence, is a collection of computers interconnected via the internet using a specific software. To maintain the integrity of such systems, three key properties must be ensured. Any program on the Ethereum world computer should be deterministic, terminable on command, and isolated from other programs running on the computer, and vice versa. To enforce this, an isolated sandbox environment was created, known as the Ethereum Virtual Machine. The Ethereum Virtual Machine is indeed the implementation of the concept of the Ethereum world computer. It provides a runtime environment for executing smart contracts, ensuring that they run in a deterministic, isolated, and secure manner on the Ethereum network. Now, the Ethereum Virtual Machine gives us a controlled, deterministic, isolated environment, but to enforce terminability of a program, we also need a mechanism. That's where Ethereum's native currency, known as Ether, was introduced. The way this works is that a program is a set of instructions, and the Ethereum team associated each instruction with a cost. The cumulative value of this cost was used to limit how long the program could run. Now, to interact with the Ethereum blockchain, we need an identity, an account. There are two types of accounts. One is an externally owned account, which is managed by the associated private key. This is what users usually use. And we have contract account, which are identities of the code or smart contracts stored on the Ethereum blockchain. In other words, they are pointers to the stored contract code, and their behavior is governed by this code. Accounts have IDs. We call them address. For externally owned accounts, an address is created by first generating a random 32-byte private key. Using the ECDSA digital signature algorithm, we derive a public key from this private key. Then, we take the KEKAC256 hash of the public key and extract the last 20 bytes, which gives us the address. For contracts, their address are derived from the address of the deployer, meaning whoever stored the contract, and the deployer's address nonce, which is the number of transactions that have happened from that address. Let us take a look at the difference between an externally owned account and a contract account. For externally owned accounts, there is no cost for creating an account. They are able to initiate transactions on their own and can send Ether or tokens without any additional need for code or logic. Externally owned accounts are controlled by the holder of the associated private key. On the other hand, contract accounts incur account creation cost as they require network storage. They can't initiate transactions on their own, but are able to trigger complex actions based on their code. They are governed by the associated logic in the smart contract code. Now let us talk about the Ethereum world state. Simply put, Ethereum world state is a collection of keys and values. Transactions are changes that modify the values associated with these keys. Now the keys in the Ethereum world state are the account addresses. The values are the account state, which includes but is not limited to the nonce, Ether balance of the account, the storage hash, the code hash. The storage hash is the hash of the storage associated with the account, and the code hash is the contract code. The storage hash and the code hash are only associated with the contract accounts. In a sense, Ethereum is a state machine that contains millions of objects called accounts. These accounts can maintain internal storage, execute code, and interact with each other. This concludes our overview of Ethereum. Thank you for watching.